This is so fabulous, and I hope you've been doing, all of the things that we're asking you to do, making sure you appreciate yourself. Remember, what you appreciate appreciates, and writing down all of the wins that you're having, all of the miracles that are going on, doing your rituals, etc., etc., etc. Today, I want to ask you, what's your story? What's the story that, you've been telling about yourself? And how do you want to change? How do you want to change? Obviously, if you're on this 30-day Hidden Riches and Ritual program, there's something that you'd love to shift or morph or, just like push out and move forward into your greatness. So how do you want to change, and what would your life be like? I want you to get a clear vision. Close your eyes. Let's do it right now. What would your life be like? Imagine if all of the restrictions that you heretofore have put on yourself by your limiting beliefs, we've talked about that before, were gone, were nowhere to be seen, huh? Let's go in. What would your life be like if all of the restrictions that you've held up until this moment in time were gone, evaporated, zap? Let's just see that magnificent life. And now I want you to turn this video off and start writing it down. Let's get a level of clarity that we would have never otherwise have had. Okay, talk to you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.